Every business relies on clear, accurate ownership records. A share certificate is the official document that ensures transparency in your company's shareholding structure. This legal document provides key details about an individual's shareholding, including their name, address, the number of shares they own, and the price paid for those shares. It serves as an official record of ownership and related financial transactions. Share certificates play a crucial role in maintaining accurate ownership records, ensuring transparency and legal compliance for all stakeholders. JustSign simplifies the process of creating and managing your company's share certificates. With our easy-to-use platform, you can quickly generate accurate, customizable certificates using pre-built templates. With JustSign, you can effortlessly customize your share certificates to reflect your company's unique shareholding structure. Our platform allows you to update and re-upload certificates whenever your shareholding changes. Collecting secure digital signatures has never been easier. JustSign ensures your share certificates are legally compliant and digitally signed, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Stay ahead of your company's shareholding management with JustSign. Keep your ownership records up to date, secure, and easily accessible. Create and manage your share certificates with ease. Subscribe to JustSign on our website, justsign.com.au. You can also call us on 02-9684-4199. Thanks for watching.